का पूरा रिपोर्ट यूएसए का मिला है.
Okay.
They want us to ship the material to Nairobi.
विट्ठल सर को फोन करो.
अफ्रीका में.
वो ये भी कह सकता है.
कौन?
अच्छा सूरज सर, गुड मॉर्निंग.
गुड मॉर्निंग. ईस्ट अफ्रीका.
मॉर्निंग सर.
ईस्ट अफ्रीका में भी मेरे जान पहचान का है.
तो उसको छोड़ दो ना. देखो वहां कौन है वो हमको भी पता नहीं है. वो फॉरगेट. ये होता है. आज हम यहाँ बॉम्बे बैठे हैं
और मिला
और बॉम्बे में दूसरा कस्टमर बोलता है मुझे नागपुर माल भेज दो.
हाँ.
वो ऑर्डर बनाएगा, इंस्ट्रक्शन देगा, जीएसटी नंबर होगा वहां का भी,
अरे जरा अपना
पेमेंट दे देगा, डॉक्यूमेंट बात खत्म हो गई.
आप म्यूट कर सकते हैं क्या उनको?
हाँ कर देता हूँ.
आप प्लीज उनको जरा म्यूट.
अभी हो गया. ऑर्डर डिटेल जितना चाहिए था सबको मिल गया.
हैप्पी मॉर्निंग इन्होंने बोला. आनंद
गुड मॉर्निंग सूरज. वेलकम.
गुड मॉर्निंग. गुड मॉर्निंग.
हनुमंत जी नमस्कार.
हाँ जी गुड मॉर्निंग.
जतन जी नमस्कार.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
जतन जी
नमस्कार. गुड मॉर्निंग सर. गुड मॉर्निंग संजीव.
तेरा स्पीकर बंद है ना? हाँ चालू है. तो काम में डाला ना तेरे को हवा है.
Our partner from Techno is also here. Murli, good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
गुड मॉर्निंग मुरली सर.
Shall please appeal to all to switch on their video.
Hello. Sir ji, good morning. Manuel बोल रहा हूँ Cosmos से.
मदन सर आ गए क्या?
नहीं
मदन सर
अभी तक नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे.
जूनियर मदन साहब आए हैं.
जूनियर मदन साहब सर बताइए ना, मदन सर कभी आने वाले हैं?
आई चेक.
हाँ जरा प्लीज. हाय वेंकटेश.
डाल देना.
मॉर्निंग सर.
हाय विक्रम.
अभी 25 पार्टिसिपेंट्स आए.
Amit has joined. Amit, welcome.
अमित सर गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning uncle.
एक बार सबका चेहरा दिखाओ भाई. सब लोग वीडियो थोड़ा देर के लिए तो 2 सेकंड के लिए तो ऑन कर दो, तो चेहरा तो दिखेगा सबका.
ओंकार हनुमंत.
ही इज जस्ट जॉइनिंग.
ओके ओके.
अमित जी गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning sir. How are you?
फाइन सर.
एसी चालू नहीं करते क्या? एसी नहीं तो पंखा का आवाज में कम कर देगा वो.
अच्छा बंद कर.
हाँ बंद करो. पंखा भी बंद करो. एसी चालू. पैर उधर से.
हाँ इसको होल्ड कर लेंगे.
होल्ड करते हैं.
Sanjay ji, you are in office or what?
I'm in Cosmo office sir today.
Oh, that's good. That's great. Very
एक्स्ट्रा वर्क. एक्स्ट्रा ओवर टाइम मिलने वाला है मेरे को.
अच्छा कॉस्मो ऑफिस में बैठे हैं आप?
हाँ जी.
पढ़ रहे हैं. पीछे कौन घूम रहे हैं?
वाइस प्रेसिडेंट है सर.
नहीं उसके पीछे कोई तो भी है.
चेतन दारिया साहब है ना जी.
नहीं उनके पीछे
वो फैन है सर.
और अकाउंट्स का लोग है एक्चुअली. वो बैलेंस शीट सेटल कर रहे हैं ना.
हाँ अच्छा. मैनुअल है क्या?
मैनुअल है जी.
Good morning.
मैनुअल आ गया भाई.
Good morning everyone.
हाँ गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning, मैनुअल.
बाबू सर नमस्कार.
मदन जी
गुड मॉर्निंग बाबू सर.
कॉस्मो ऑफिस लाइव.
मदन आ गया?
गुड मॉर्निंग बाबू जी.
Good morning everyone.
नहीं आए.
I'm also traveling today, so I'll be switching off my video later. Okay.
और मदन सर आ गए.
या मदन सर इज राइट.
अच्छा संजीव सर, you can start your introduction.
ओके.
We shall mute everybody.
एयरटेल.
Hello everyone. I hope I am audible to all. Vishal, I am audible?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Good and the best morning to everyone. Indeed, it is great pleasure for me to extend on behalf of COSMA board warm welcome with open arms to all members for showing up to our 23rd COSMA hour. Well, today's subject is success story of Vashi Electricals by its founder, Madanji Dodeja. Today's success journey is very special and dear to COSMA member. This is because Vashi Electrical was established in 1978. Today, its turnover is close to 1,000 crores and has a pan-India presence with 25 odd branches and associated with 29 world-class brands. Let us all cheer and welcome Team Vashi with big round of applause. All of them are there. In my humble opinion, and to cut short, success of Vashi is because of point number 1, unity and close bonding in family. Point number 2, they believe and trust in their believers, that is principals, customers, employers, well-wishers, friends, etc. Third point is give more and support to grow more philosophy. Fourth is they are always on lookout to find reason to engage with believers, either by conducting executive type of fellowships, get-togethers, exchanges of token of appreciation, pleasantries, etc. Fifth point is Vashi has their own unique formula, that is a secret Newton formula. They call it the 3S formula. 3S means sharing, supporting, and sacrifice. And they all truly live and practice in totality this 3S formula that is visible all along in their Bhiwandi office. Many of us have also started around the same period, but have nowhere near grown as much as of them. So let us understand what Vashi Electricals and its founder did differently. Let us listen to their values, discipline, culture, and the strategy they adopted to scale to this height in such a short span of time. It will be out of place if I don't mention they are huge well-wishers of COSMA, be it award function or Elcrum advertisement. We are not required to follow up for releasing advertisement till the release of payment with one single email needful is done. Also, they make it a point to attend all our COSMA programs at Bengaluru and Mumbai. They also conducted several programs for our members at Bengaluru and Mumbai. Now I request Satish Kaji sir to say a few words about them with added warmth, since he is like a part of Vashi family only. Let us also recognize the efforts of our director Anand Jayawant and Sriram for organizing this seminar for us. Over to Satish Bhai. Satish Bhai, now yours.
Time.
Big applause for Anand. Well, Sanjeev, you have really covered everything what can be said about Madan and his team. I have known Madan since 1975 maybe. Even before he started his Vashi Electricals, he used to come and sell to me phenolate wire coils, and very successfully he used to take, every time he came to my office, he used to collect an order. I can't forget that part. Madan, as an individual, is an epitome of management, maturity, and modesty. So the characteristics which Sanjeev mentioned about Madan and his group, I would add these three very important factors for their success. With these words, I wish Madan, Mohan, Suraj, Amit, and Jatan, and the entire Vashi team all success in their future endeavors. It is 1,000 crores today. We pray for their 10,000 crores in very near future. All the best. Over to Sriram.
Very good morning. A warm welcome to all of our COSMA guests and members. Actually, Anand sir has mentioned, or we have mentioned, it is an interview of a success story. A success story from 160 rupees to 1000 crores and going up. So, actually, it is not an interview. It is a story unfold between the just one mentor and other follower. That will be the case going on. So, when I was just a school chap, I know we used to sing Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha. I wonder why Sindh is not included, though it is a part of our India. Then later I realized that when the whole Hindustan is nothing but the Hindustan. And then when I joined college, I realized that it is the Sindhu water who make the person come up like a phoenix, leaving everything, your own business, household in 47, 50, taking shelter in India, in some camps, and then starting business there. And from there, they have reached to a great milestone so far. So it's a really appreciable efforts by the whole community from Sindh. And we are very lucky to have with us who has got roots from Karachi, a sister town of Mumbai. So I first welcome Mr. Madanji, and let us start unfolding the journey. Madanji, yes, we know that 4750, the time was very crucial. Your family must have experienced the same thing. So will you please just share us how the things were for you and your family at around 50 to 60?
Good morning to everybody. Kaji Saab, good namaskar, and to every Cosma member and my brothers. Thanks, and I'm really grateful for the kind words. They are really special to us, and I'm also thankful and grateful for Cosma giving Vashi this opportunity and honor to share our journey. I will try my best to come up to your expectations. But Sriram,
yes, sir.
My parents came from Karachi, but they got married in Mumbai. I was born in 1953 in Ghatkopar Rajawadi Hospital.
Okay.
So I did not come from Karachi, but my parents came, but they got married also in Mumbai, and I was born in 1953.
Okay. But
so, though it was challenging for my grandfather because they had to leave everything back and they had to really come as a refugee, and they got a refugee plot in Ghatkopar, which was a jungle at that time, but he built up a house, and there the whole family of my aunties, uncles, my grandfather, my father, everybody grew together, and then the story started. My uncles, they are rank holders from VGTI, and so are their children now. So the academics was always good in our family, and but there were challenges, you know, as every family grows and gets divided. So did our family also, and in a span of time, due to some unfortunate incidents, my mother became a widow at the age of 27 with 5 children, and it was a big challenge for her to see that how she brings up the children. But I must admire her guts and her commitment, which has brought us to this point. I think her blessings have been enormous, and her inspirations every moment. When we think about challenges, I have her face in front of me, which gives me positive and true answers.
Okay. So you had a very early tough time.
Yeah. Tough time. I started my career Friday. My SSC exams got over.
Okay.
Friday, my SSC exams got over. My mother took me to one of her relative, okay, bhai, please give some job to this boy so that we are able to manage our household. And this lady was kind enough. She took us to her brother, the owner of Finolex Cables. Okay, please give this some job. And the owner said he is underage. I cannot put him on muster, but I think he was sympathetic towards my mother, and I got a job in Finolex the next day of my SSC exams. The results had not come till
It was in 1970 or which year it was?
1970, sir.
70, right? Okay.
Yeah.
And you remember the date and the first day also?
Yes, yes. It is actually they are very special.
Yes, yes.
And if I think it is important to remember because that keeps you grounded.
Exactly. So it was your first assignment at Finolex, right?
Yeah.
So it
Yes,
was
Finolex,
what
my
kind of job
assignment
it
was
was? And what
nothing.
were the challenges?
It was nothing. I was just taken in, and Shriram, the first induction was by a peon whose salary was 175 rupees. Fortunately, that person, Mr. Ashok Kadam, is with Vashi Electric today. The guy who inducted me in Finolex, he is with Vashi Electric, Ashok Kadam, and still there. Yeah,
Great,
and
great.
I give him the same respect. Please believe me, I give him the same respect what I would have given him on the day one when he inducted me as a peon, as a head peon in that organization. And I learned all the tricks. I learned everything over there. I did everything to please my bosses. And then after the results, I went for a morning college, then worked throughout the day, and I think, and that's the way the journey started. What happened at that time, Finolex was a growing organization. Their turnover was also in thousands, not in millions or crores. So it was a very ambitious organization. And I was very lucky, I would say, that I got a chance to work under a boss who was dynamic, who was ambitious, and who had a very large personality. And it was always a wow feeling for me कि oh my god ऐसा भी हो सकता है क्या. So he was a very aggressive personality and I was absolutely wrong, and to get connected with such a person, though at a distance, because I am lower than peon but I am seeing that owner every day, but that wow feeling was there. And what happened in Finolex was every time there was some leave of a senior, I would do that job religiously. I would take lot of pains to see how can I make my boss happy. I would really go out of my way to buy books so that I have something to read and come up with a solution which I would be able to surprise my boss.
Great.
And what happened is every time somebody went on leave and I did that job, my boss was surprised. Oh, you can do this job so well. Okay, from tomorrow you do this, do this, do this, do this. I never got an appointment letter in Finolex. I never got a designation. But when I left, I was among the highest paid employees in that organization. At a very young age, I got lot to learn in that organization. I got lot of own confidence, I would say, that at this age, I can manage people. Kaji Saab used to meet me every day at one of our common distributors, LD Corporation, NO Desai. He was also a personality more than his life. His lifestyle was again a wow feeling. So Kaji Saab और बहुत टाइम हमें भी उधर मिलते थे because he was our cable distributor. काजी साहब का L&T का distributor था, तो उधर हम मिलते थे. तो and that's the way my journey started, and I must share with you on this subject. So when I started going for sales and building up network for Finolex, my only way was to go to any town. Suppose I went to Jodhpur, तो इन जोधपुर में जाके देखता था इधर L&T का डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर कौन है, स्टॉकिस्ट कौन है. तो मैं समझता था कि L&T वाले ने तो इतना मेहनत कर लिया है, तो मैं भी उसको जाके मेरा प्रोडक्ट ऑफर करूं और स्टॉकिस्टशिप दे दूं. और that is why in India today you will find many of L&T dealers are also Finolex distributors.
Okay. So along with this, your job going, do you refer to any sales and management books or any management guru for growing to this level of?
I must share with you
was just
The biggest learning
practical.
comes, sorry,
Yeah, yeah.
the biggest learning comes at customer premises. Whatever I have learned is only at customer premises. The more you are consciously connected with your beneficiaries, the more you are connected with them, the learnings you get on their premises, you cannot get in any school. Even if you go to a good school, they take you to this industrial visit because they know the job will not get complete unless they see the reality. The type of kicks you get in customer understanding, I think, is the biggest learning. And for me, that has been the only school. My
Okay.
only school has been the customer premises.
Okay, okay. So that at a very young age, being at such a position, what when did you exactly realize that you can be a great successful, or you can start your own business in the same field? So what was that
It
instant?
was a big risk. It was a
Okay.
big risk, but I don't know. There were a few people in my circle, in my senior circle, who used to always tell me, you can become a great entrepreneur. So वो aspire बहुत करते थे. So,
Okay.
see, I will tell you, even if you don't have money, nobody can stop you from dreaming. Nobody can stop you from thinking best about yourself. So I also, in my travel all over the country, I also got confidence. Okay, there are 30 days in a month and 8 hours per day I work, 240 hours. If I work for myself, I think I'll be able to recover my salary.
Okay.
If I am not able to recover my salary in 240 hours every month, that means I'm not fit to do this job also. But my mother told me, because after going through such a hard time, my mother told me when I left the job, कि तू सबको फुटपाथ पे लेकर आया वापस. Because we started from footpath, and she said when everything was settled, you are again bringing everybody on footpath.
Okay. Sir, so at that time, taking a Siemens dealership, it was, I mean, starting, as you said, starting again from the footpath and then taking to the Siemens dealership was a great achievement, I should say. So how did it come through?
It was not easy. It was not easy, and it came after 3 years. Our first big, I would say from the point of view of recognition as a good channel partner or a stockist, came from Crompton. One Mr. Mehra was there and Chakravarti. I don't know, we did not have money at all, but they believed. They believed that we can do something. We can do something special for them. So they invested a lot of faith in us, and I must also give you, share with you one. They invested a lot of faith in us, and at that time they collaborated with Hitachi for manufacturing MCCBs, and that was a new product in India. So, and we were already engaged in serving a few of our control panel manufacturer friends. So this Hitachi, it was a new MCCB. ये MCCB एक नया प्रोडक्ट था, और हमारे को जब उन्होंने दिया तो हमने बोला अच्छा साहब हम ट्राई करेंगे. तो ये सब तकदीर की बात है, या तो हमारे बीइंग एट द राइट प्लेस एट द राइट टाइम की बात है. तो अपना Venkatesh, I think, is there today. So Venkatesh and Vinay's father, Mr. Ruchil, was also was also in the same Andheri MIDC area, and I took this product to him, and they were in ship control panel manufacturing business, and in ship, because of compact design, switch fuse unit के लिए MCCBs का बहुत जरूरत है, तो they were sometimes importing also. I think Mr. Ruchil believed in me, and we became best of friends. Just as I have journey with my brother Mohan, I had similar journey with Mr. Ruchil also. And he was such a strong believer that if he has to tell me something, he doesn't have to complete a statement. It was like a command to me. And that is how I grew in my relationship with Mr. Ruchil. And he grew as Marine Electricals and I grew as Vashi Electricals. But together, he, see, MCCB का पूरा spelling, MCCB को पूरा क्या बोलता है वो मुझे मालूम नहीं था. लेकिन वो उचिल साहब ने मेरे ऊपर इतना भरोसा किया कि मैं तेरे थ्रू ये काम कर सकता हूँ. Can you believe at one time we were selling 50% of Crompton MCCB production in India? We left Crompton only because they joined Schneider, and because it was clashing with Siemens at that time, it was not within my dharma to do a competitive product. That is why I went to Crompton and said, sorry, I will not be able to move forward with you because I have certain core commitments of relationship in my mind. Whenever money comes secondary, but relationship understanding is very important at Vashi Electric.
Okay, sir, I just want to know how you, I mean, starting from the, again from the grassroots, how you were able to get the Siemens dealership, because Siemens was a, I mean, is still a great brand, and at that time it was a still greater brand.
So
and there were other great players in the market.
It is our pursuing qualities. You see, as a family, as I and Mohan, we are very pursuing. You know, we never give up, and we always try to think beyond our capacity.
Right.
So at that time, we used to sell MK1 dual starters in thousands, huh? Not in hundreds, but thousands. So I knew from where to get, where to sell. So that network I had been able to learn and get it through in my sales career at Finolex. So I used to know that Kerala में MK1 starters सस्ते में मिलेगा और मैक्रोमा वाला नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग ले लेगा. तो ऐसे मेरा नेटवर्किंग बहुत अच्छा हो गया था. तो we came into this market with one commitment, with one I would say expectation कि हमको L&T का distributorship लेने का है. So we applied for L&T distributorship also. At that time, Mr. Sitaram and Garde.
Okay.
So they came and interviewed us, but we did not have any data to prove our capability. तो उनको बोला तुम्हारा रिकॉर्ड दिखाओ, तुम किसको माल देता है. हमारे पास तो ऐसा कुछ ऑफिशियल था ही नहीं. And somehow they felt के we are not capable. And it was a very sad and a very frustrating day in my career when I did not get L&T distributorship, but I did not give up. So मैंने बोला alternate क्या है अपने पास, चलो हम Siemens में ट्राई करते हैं. तो उधर मिस्टर बत्तीवाला एक पारसी मैनेजर था. वो बहुत ऐसा open minded था. So he did not come with fixed thought. And every time I used to go to him, so he used to tell me, so he connected me with one very good stockist who gave me lot of support, Roopmak, Nanik Rupani. Again, what happened is Nanik Rupani did not have any interest in reaching to the industries. तो उसके पास जितना monthly quota आता था, next day morning मेरे को मिल जाता था वो paper, and I used to go and sell to different customers who were waiting for Siemens material. So I used to sell a lot of material that way, buying from stockists. So again, I would tell you here also, I must acknowledge and be grateful to Marine Electricals. Mr. Ruchil gave me a very big inquiry. बोला मदन तुम Siemens में ये लेके जाओ, मैं देखता हूँ तुमको क्या बोलता है वो लोग. And he said, don't worry, though they will come to know that this is for Marine, but I will support you and I will buy from you. बत्तीवाला after seeing the inquiry said अभी तो हमारे पास बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, ऐसा है वैसा है. बोला चल ये प्रोजेक्ट के लिए मैं तेरे को मटेरियल देने के लिए रेडी हो गया. After lot of persuasion, and through that I got the material. Then I would add some material here and there and supply to other customers. And then finally they gave me and after such activities they gave me an appointment letter. वो भी एक बहुत बड़ा story है. तो at that time we were in market known as Western Electric House. तो ये Western Electric House में हमको authorized distributorship मिल गया. लेकिन हमारे दूसरे स्टॉकिस्ट फ्रेंड बहुत नाराज हो गए सीमेंट्स में. बोला कि तुम ऐसा आदमी लोग को डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरशिप देगा तो हमको तुम्हारा काम नहीं करने का. तो वो लोग ने एकदम हंगामा मचाया. I was called again in Siemens and my distributorship was withdrawn. And I had almost tears in my eyes. मैं बोला सर मैंने तो मिठाई बांटा है मार्केट में. बोला I cannot give you this distributorship now. मैं बोला सर there must be some way. बोला you go and you go out and see if you can go to Pune, go to some outside Bombay territory में तुम जाओ. So then I went to Vashi. So I and Mohan went to Vashi to by कोई address तो मांगता है ना, तो भी at that time Sidco was there. So when in Sidco, we got hold of one allotted shop, sector number 17 में, shop number, sector number 7, shop number 15. It is lying closed for such a long time. We have not used it also, but we will not sell it. So that shop is lying, तो उसका हमने address लिया, documents लिया, वापस Monday morning को अपना साहब के पास पहुंच गए. मिस्टर जैन साहब था उधर, बहुत पीसी जैन, बहुत कड़क आदमी था. तो उसको मैं जाके हाथ जोड़ के मैं बोला साहब आपने बोला मैं इसका लेके आया हूँ अभी वाशी का, ये मेरा जगह का नाम है. तो बोलता है बट आई कैन नॉट गिव यू इन वेस्टर्न इलेक्ट्रिक हाउस. मैं बोला सर यू ओनली टेल मी व्हाट नेम आई शुड हैव. तो बोला अच्छा चल इसको तू वाशी इलेक्ट्रिक बोल. जैन साहब ने वाशी इलेक्ट्रिक नाम डाला हमारा. साहब लेकिन नेवर गिव अप, नेवर से डाई एटीट्यूड. हमारे फैमिली में वो पहले से, बिकॉज आई सॉ माय मदर, शी वुड नेवर गिव अप. तो वी हैव टू बिल्ड अप दैट केपेबल, दैट आजकल उसको नया वर्ड बोलते हैं रेसिलेंट एटीट्यूड. अभी लॉकडाउन के बाद बोलते हैं ये आदमी, ये कंपनी रेसिलेंट है, लेकिन हमारे संस्कार में तो बचपन से आ गया. बिकॉज दैट इज व्हाई इम्यूनिटी भी इतना अच्छा है अपने कंट्री का.
Right. So here
this
you
is how Vashi Electric was born.
Okay, and you got the name of Vashi Electrical, which
from Mr. PC Jain. I want to add one more thing. That person did not allow me to enter the cabin. I was like, please don't come to me. When after his retirement, he was I think 70 or 75 years का, उसका daughter को birthday celebrate करने का था. तो उसकी daughter ने बोला पापा हम किसको बुलावे. तो 2-3 तो उसके घर के लोग थे, एक दो सीमेंस के डायरेक्टर थे. बोला मदन को बुलाओ. See the type of relationship. Then I built up with a person who hated me on the first day. I became his one point resource, not from any other, but out of love and respect, out of kindness. And that is all possible in this journey of life.
Okay. It was great, sir. It's a great story. But how did you get the technical knowledge associated with all such products, from cable to like a switchgear, then later to motors? क्योंकि जो basic knowledge था वो आपने कहाँ से पाया? Was it a practical, or how it got it detailing of the product basket?
Sir, you see again customer premises.
Okay.
मेरे कस्टमर को क्या चाहिए वो मेरे घर में होना चाहिए. स्टेप बाय स्टेप मेरे कस्टमर के पास वन पॉइंट कांटेक्ट कैसे बनूं, वो थॉट से ही हमने एक के बाद दूसरी, दूसरे के बाद तीसरी, 5वीं 10वीं 12वीं 50वीं एजेंसी ली. कस्टमर के, सी यू हैव टू ऑलवेज थिंक दैट व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट, हाउ इट विल सर्व द कस्टमर. I am a customer representative in the parliament of principals. I am not principal representative to customers. I am customer के well-being और उसके issues को solve करना हमारा commitment है. So when we go to any of our principals, we go with as a customer representative, resolving their issues so that this bridge is more stronger between the principal and our customers.
But sir, इसमें मुझे एक सवाल है कि when you are growing your base to new products, उसके लिए basically आप किसको भी पूछेंगे तो हम लोग बोलते हैं यार उसके लिए फाइनेंस और लगेगा. तो ये पैसे का जुगाड़ आपने और इसका रोलिंग कैसे अपने परफेक्टली मैच कर, बिकॉज इसमें इन्वेंटरी भी बढ़ रहा था और that was the main challenging.
I come from a very conservative family and we don't believe in borrowing. We believe in Swiss economy, earn and grow. We don't believe in American economy, invest and grow. We earn and grow. So every year there was enough available in the kitty and we were focusing on core competence. We never, see, I can again give you a very simple thought on this. We must treat our business like our child. So as we invest in our child and we invest in his growth, तो हम भी आज आज तक our company is bigger than me. My balance sheet is not good, but my company balance sheet should be good. That is the family commitment. And we don't diversify. See, normally at this level, you must be having 10 real estate investments. किधर से भाड़ा आता होएगा, किधर से stock market का पैसा आता होएगा. In our family, I have only contributed in growth of this child, Vashi Electric. अगर मेरे को कल आईसीयू में डॉक्टर का पेमेंट करने का है तो वाशी इलेक्ट्रिक में से पैसा निकालना पड़ेगा. मेरे पास पर्सनल पैसा नहीं है. ये हमने कमिटमेंट फैमिली में रखा है. तो एवरी ईयर वी ग्रो एंड इन्वेस्ट. एंड you see, India is a land of opportunities. There is tremendous potential in the market. You have to make a space for yourself, and growth is enormous. I will tell you, only strategic thinking and process corrections have made Vashi Electric grow by 10 to 15% year to year. It is a big opportunity, sir. ये तो लैंड ऑफ कंजम. इधर तो अपना तो प्रोसेसेस भी इतना सिंपल है. हम लोग को कोई अपना 7 समुद्र पार करके एक्सपोर्ट के लिए नहीं सोचने का है. हमारे तो अक्रॉस द रोड कस्टमर बैठा है कि भाई कोई जेन्युइन सप्लाई दे, कोई ईमानदारी से बात करे. तो आपके अंदर वो इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट होना चाहिए. और मेरे हिसाब से एंटरप्रेन्योर को इंडिया में खाली ग्रो करने के लिए 2 चीज चाहिए, ऑनेस्टी और कॉमन सेंस. उसके अलावा कुछ भी टेक्निकल नॉलेज कुछ जरूरत नहीं है साहब. एक ईमानदारी चाहिए विद द स्टेक होल्डर्स, विद द कस्टमर, बी ट्रूथफुल टू एवरीबॉडी इन रिलेशनशिप, एंड टेरिफिक कॉमन सेंस चाहिए. बाकी इंजीनियरिंग प्रोडक्ट होगा. आई मस्ट टेल यू, हम लोग को सेकेंड ईयर में सीमेंस का मोटर का अवार्ड, सॉरी ड्यूअल स्टार्टर का अवार्ड मिला, हाईएस्ट सेल का. तो एक दिन काउंटर पे एक आदमी आया, तो मेरे आदमी को पूछा मेरे को कॉन्ट्रैक्टर चाहिए. तो वो स्टार्टर ओपन कर रहा था. मैं बोला स्टार्टर ओपन करते हैं. बोलता साहब इसके अंदर कॉन्ट्रैक्टर है. हमारे को अवार्ड मिला है और मुझे पता नहीं था कि स्टार्टर में कॉन्ट्रैक्टर रहता है. इतना प्योर मेरा टेक्निकल इंटेलिजेंस था. पर कैसे मैं कस्टमर को ये माल बेच के आऊं मालूम था. वो स्टार्टर के अंदर क्या हो मेरे को देखने की जरूरत नहीं.
So your mathematics and management skills were prevailing than your technical knowledge.
I'm giving you, see, when I'm talking to you, I'm talking from my heart. What is needed, you focus on. What is not needed, uske liye time is limited. Don't unnecessarily focus on many things and mess up.
Hello.
हाँ जी.
सर आवाज थोड़ा क्रैक हो गया. हेलो.
Sugam bhai, you are audible.
हाँ या ओके सर. उसमें एक ही पूछना है. I got your point. You have to, that opportunities are there. Growth is not the limit. बट जब भी मैं इतने बड़े स्केल की बात देखता हूँ और मुझे मतलब दो आदमी लोग का नाम आता है कि जो पूरा अच्छे तरह से इतना बड़ा होकर भी कंट्रोल कर सकता है. एक है दाऊद और दूसरे आप. कि इतने बड़े आप सबिंदर को भी परफेक्टली चलाते हो और उसके ऊपर परफेक्ट कंट्रोल है. तो बेसिकली इतना बड़ा मतलब कारोबार होने के बाद भी आपकी कोर वैल्यूज आपने कैसे मेंटेन रखी, आपकी मतलब सेल्स सर्विस, उसके ऊपर आपका अभी भी परफेक्ट कंट्रोल कैसे आपने मेंटेन कर दिया है?
अब एकदम
बिकॉज मैंने सर मतलब वेरी फ्रैंकली मैंने बहुत बार देखा है कि कंपनी जैसे बड़ा हो जाती है तो अब ग्राफ निकालोगे क्वालिटी का तो डाउन होना चालू हो जाता है मोस्टली. लेकिन आपके बारे में इट इज स्टिल गोइंग अप एंड अप. सो उसके पीछे का राज क्या है सर?
इसके पीछे का राज एकदम सिंपल है साहब. यू हैव टू बी इन्वॉल्व्ड. विदाउट इन्वॉल्वमेंट नथिंग कम्स. If you are passionate and involved, you're sleeping, dreaming only about your companies and well-being of your employees and well-being of your customers. The money is a byproduct, but you must always focus what more I can do. Today also when I go on my sales course, my last statement to my customer is what more we can do for you. How can we be of better service to you? So I never feel that I have done my job complete. I still have scope to grow. This is where the learning comes, and total deep diving involvement. So we don't have any other resources. Our salary come from here only. All of us are focused on this subject 100%. तो involvement से ही result मिलता है साहब. And 45 years भी हो गए ना. अभी 45 years हो गया ना. ये कोई overnight कोई जियो इफेक्ट तो नहीं है कि भाई एक दिन में खड़ा रह गया. ये 45 years का 2 जनरेशन का इफेक्ट है सर. And totally, all the members are totally involved. And we have not only 5, we have a 25 core committee members, another 20 members becoming part of the brain and the system who are driving it. अभी आपको सिर्फ मदन मालूम है, लेकिन अगर आप और कोई टेरिटरी में जाएंगे तो आपको दूसरा कोई मदन दिखाई देगा. मदन is today not even 2% or 3% customers know Madan. 97% custom, and I am very happy when I go with my salesman. If I am a first time visitor, that customer doesn't know ये साथ में कौन लेके आए हैं. मेरा salesman को ज्यादा भाव देता है, मेरे को कम भाव देता है. I am happy about it.
वो तो है सर. और एक मैं बात मतलब दोहराना चाहता हूँ कि इट इज द ट्रेनिंग. वेरी फ्रैंकली, आपका जो इंजीनियर मैनेजर है, ही इज एज गुड एज अ रिप्लिक ऑफ मदन जी. तो ये ट्रेनिंग आपने इतना परफेक्टली कैसे ले लिया? बिकॉज कोई भी आज वेरी फ्रैंकली मैंने देखा है कि वाशी में अगर जो 4-5 साल काम करेगा तो उसको इमीडिएट दूसरे कंपनी पहले उठा लेती है.
So, ये तो
यहाँ से मतलब ये आपका
ये तो we are like a school because we are transparent with our employees. We give them all the data. तो वो लोग का ये शर्ट का सब, अभी मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. We recruit only trainees, engineers fresh from the college at 20,000 rupees. Next year उसको 25,000 देगा. उसका बाद में नेक्स्ट अप्रेजल आएगा ना 30,000 वाला, वो मेरे को मेरा प्रिंसिपल्स का अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर देगा. साहब आप मेरे को 30,000 देने वाला है, 20 का 30 करने वाला है. मेरे पास 75,000 रुपीज का प्रपोजल है साहब. मैं बोलता हूँ वेरी गुड, आप आगे बढ़ो. एंड हम लोग डरते नहीं है ये ट्रांसपेरेंसी और डेटा शेयर करने से. अगर सिस्टम, अगर मैंने कोई इंजीनियर को 2 साल में एंटरप्रेन्योर थॉट्स डाला है और अगर जाके उसका कैरियर बनता है, तो वी मस्ट ब्लेस पीपल बिकॉज दे बिकम आवर brand ambassadors in the market. And also, Shriram ji, promoter philosophy is always reflected in every enterprise in form of culture. Or so at Vashi Electric, we are always ready to learn and grow. We are always full of gratitude. We are hungry. We are passionate. We treat everybody equal. मेरे इधर ड्राइवर और मैं, वॉचमैन और मैं, मेरा मैनेजर और मैं में कोई फर्क नहीं है, whether it is family or outside. We treat everybody equal and we empathize. The learning commitment is tremendously inducted into the employees. So naturally, my job is ये जो 1000 employees है उनको मेरे जैसा कल्चर में आएगा. That is not only for my children or for my family, but every member connected with Vashi Electric is my family, and that culture has to prevail in every relationship outside or inside.
Okay, so मैंने देखा है सर, you wear the same uniform as all the employees. Like we have seen in Maruti, the MD wearing the same uniform as a shopman. So it was, I mean, from the day one, that same concept was there, or it was brought up later in the stage?
It was in stages, and today you see I have been attending your programs earlier also. तो मैं जबा कुर्ता में आपका प्रोग्राम अटेंड किया आज, लेकिन वाशी का शर्ट पहन के बैठा है because I was directed by Amit. बोला this is an official program, Papa, you must wear shirt and Vashi shirt and sit. So I am being directed by my son. Today I have to wear Vashi shirt and sit in front of you.
Sir, even in the time of Corona times, when it was a crucial time of everybody, but still you managed to get the growth. So it was just कि आपने opportunities को encash किया, और how was it? और उसके आपका confidence level तो और मतलब सराहना करनी पड़ेगी कि still you are managing even it a tough time for others.
So it is not, you see, the child has to continuously grow. So we have tremendously invested in digital technology, in teamwork, in remote working, in customer coordination. All this became handy post-corona. Now today, if I have to start this all new, these challenges, building up teams, building up networks, building up digital transformations, building up learning for remote working, it would have been a disaster. But we were already in this process and doing it. And it became more so evident only post-corona. And what happened is, because we always plan without sale, so we had almost hundreds of crores of material available, when the supplies were disrupted, when the principals were still aligning for manufacturing. 6 months तक तो सीमेंट्स का सप्लाई नहीं आया. 6 months तक सप्लाई नहीं आने के बावजूद अगर हम कंटिन्यूसली मार्केट को फीड कर रहे हैं, तो दैट वाज द रिजर्वॉयर अवेलेबल एट वाशी इलेक्ट्रिक टू फुलफिल आवर कस्टमर्स डिमांड, एंड दैट हैज हेल्प्ड अस वाशी इलेक्ट्रिक. टुडे 20% ऑफ आवर monthly customers are new customers, Shriram. That means there is so much of still disruption in the market where people are looking for genuine supplies, good services and support. हमारा USP क्या है साहब? Quick, speedy response, availability and ease of business. ये बाकी सब चेंज होएगा, लेकिन ये 3 चीज वाशी इलेक्ट्रिक में कभी चेंज नहीं होगा. Sriram, I have a request. You are asking me all the questions. I have my other family members also.
Yes,
you have an option of asking questions to them
yes,
also.
Sir. Okay, sir, surely. But actually, I mean, I was not told. So,
no, it's okay. But I must tell you because all the directors are there. If you have anything.
Okay. सर हमें तो आप डायरेक्टर लोग मतलब सर इतना अभी आपने मार्केटिंग चैनल पे ग्रोथ किया है, तो डायरेक्टर का कुछ प्लान है कि आप मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में आप प्रोसेस करना चाहते हैं आगे? हाउ इज गोइंग टू बी योर फ्यूचर प्लान्स? ओवर टू आई मीन
we are very clear about this. Okay. I will tell you this. We are very clear about this. You see, in every playing area, suppose we are specialist in cricket. Tomorrow in this playing area, I cannot start playing football or hockey or polo because everything is different. The playing entrepreneur has lot of freedom. Entrepreneur has tremendous power. Huh? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Entrepreneur has tremendous power, freedom, authority to use and misuse. Hence, we are conscious of the consequences. So we have to be conscious of the consequences and of bad decisions. So we are very conscious. Our core capabilities are only serving customers in form of representation, last mile delivery, inventory management, logistics, sales team resource management. ये जो हमने capabilities develop की है, they are unique. It is more than an industry. It is more than manufacturing. So it is not that we are missing out on anything, because if any good manufacturer wants to do this last mile delivery, this type of services will prevail for years to come.
Okay.
So we are conscious there is a tremendous growth and we are going to focus only on our core competence.
Shriram bhai, unable to hear you.
Can't hear you, sir.
Can't hear you.
Shriram bhai, cannot hear your question. Can you repeat the question again?
It's not a question. Any questions to Madanji can be put up in the chat box. We can take the questions in the due course. That is the request to all. First of all, now over to Madanji. Am I audible?
Yes, now you are audible.
Okay. So Madanji, मतलब अपना पूरा इंडिया का 6 महीने का स्विच गियर का सप्लाई इवन बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द कंपनी आपने पूरा कर दिया. ये तो एक नेशनल सर्विस का एक बड़ा काम है फ्रैंकली. तो उसके लिए आपको मतलब 1000 बार सलाम करें.
Shriram, we also had challenges and we couldn't fulfill many of the orders because whatever we had we could supply, and we were continuously in coordination with our principals on this point.
Okay sir. सर इसके साथ में आप बहुत सोशल काम भी कर रहे हैं, तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा हमको सब बता दीजिए कि आप सोसाइटी के लिए क्या क्या आपने कर दिया है और आप क्या आगे करना चाहेंगे.
काफी वो I think Suraj can also share because he is more involved in today's time.
Right. So Suraj ji, please.
Yeah, so my wife heads the CSR division in Vashi. Today we work with close to 70 NGOs across the nation. Our core philosophy is actually an extension of what we do at Vashi. We are a bridge. Like the way we are a bridge between manufacturers and customers for our core business, in CSR also we are a bridge. And we are a bridge between these NGOs and the people they want to serve. So we try and understand the core ideology of
Suraj, can't hear you, Suraj.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, you are
Yeah,
audible.
go ahead, go ahead.
Go ahead. You are audible, sir.
Yeah, so just the way our team's core philosophy is to identify which NGO does what kind of work, whether it is a fraud or they genuinely are actually taking care of the interest of the people they are serving. So like during the lockdown, we actually went around helping more than 25 different NGOs, serving more than 40,000 people who did not get food. Some places there was medicine issue. So like that, we keep our eyes and ears open and try and actually meet people who have the intent, but they may not have the funds. So we try and fill in the gap over there.
Okay, sir. Now, sir, what are your future plans in distribution segment? आप इसको आगे लेवल तक जाने के लिए क्या कर रहे हो?
The questions for whom?
Sir, Suraj ji.
So actually India mein we believe that industrial distribution is there, but organized industrial retail where we actually focus, because we don't supply to actually a retail network. That is where we are actually different from everyone else in the country, because we work directly with the end user of our product. So for us, panel builder is also an end user. The factory themselves are an end user. So because we don't have a distribution network per se across the country, we are directly working with the end user. We tend to believe that we are industrial retailers, where we also give one contractor to someone, but we will also give bulk supply if it's a project requirement. So in that space, we feel that the opportunity is infinite. And more so in times to come, we want to be the one-stop supplier for everything that the customer may need. Globally, this is a very common way of working, where there is it is known as kitting. Like for a panel builder, for a particular project, if he wants anything, he only goes to one organized supplier. He ensures he supplies everything to him in the kit size that he wants. And that is then supplied to that particular site. So we believe that is the future, where we become the one-stop supplier for whatever the customer might need at his project.
Okay. Sir, I got two requests. First, now your second generation is there in the business. So how do you have, you can say, shared the responsibilities? That I would like to know in the detail. And second thing, do you see, because you have become a such great, that do you see a Amazon type working, which is an app based or something, or as Amazon is giving, making a complete change in the retail segment. So similar, do you think there is a possibility of Amazon coming up with a switchgear, or anyone from the industry will do business like Amazon structure? So will you please elaborate both points, sir?
Yeah, Suraj, you can answer, Suraj.
Okay, your first question about the second generation. Today, Amit is here with me. Amit actually joined even before me, though he's 2 years younger to me. Amit is now nearly 18 years in the business. I am 16 years in the company now. Jatan joined 5 years back. Jatan is an engineer. Amit and I have done our graduation and then MBA. I am a partial CA myself. So we have been close to 2 decades around, Amit and me, also in the business now. So that gives a little bit of a brief about of where we are today. Between us, responsibility wise, we actually have very clear responsibility divided in the family, and we all certain territories, certain businesses, but mutually we all align to the common goal of the company. We are all we share a lot of information with each other and take each other's inputs, but there is a lot of clarity about what each person has to do. Coming to the future,
So 1 minute.
we
There is
don't-
one, Suraj, I'm sorry to interrupt, but when some on one issue, when there are two contradictory mindset, how do you come take over that issue?
That's a very good question. Actually, we have very one simple philosophy. Whenever there is two different views, we think about what is in the interest of Vashi and its customers, and that answer can never have two opinions. So whatever is in the interest of the organization, that answer prevails. We don't have any veto power between us, nothing like that. It only goes in the interest of what is good for the customer and the company.
Joshi, we want to hear something from Mohan.
Mohanji.
Yes, sir. Mohan has a lot of
Sir Mohanji,
stories to tell you.
please, sir Mohanji, आप
Yeah.
सुना
Same
लीजिए.
when I
I mean, आपने
completed,
हाँ yeah.
as soon as I completed my college, I started this business, in 1978, Madan and myself. So I had never worked anywhere. As Madan has worked at Pinolex and all that, I have never worked anywhere. I have straight away started the business with Madan. So my experience with any industry as an employee is not there. But in ideas, we complement with each other. Yeah. So we have different skill sets. That is why this partnership is ever growing. But I will tell you that Macroma was there, with whom I used to sit for two years with him. After lunchtime, I used to visit to Macroma. And Mr. Mohan Jangiani is like a godfather to me. He trained me in the business. So I am very much thankful to Macroma, Mr. Mohan Jangiani, that he gave me all the tricks of the Loachal business and industrial business. He trusted us and gave us material on credit of 90 days. And from that, we sold in cash and bought a first premises at Andheri. And we used to rotate this money with Jangiani. He used to feel so proud of us. Yeah. I am telling you, he was an anchor to us in our initial career at when we started this business. Because he trusted us. And trusting is also like pregnancy, whether it is there or not there. And I will tell you one control panel manufacturer is there, Kerala Switchgear, Mr. K.K. Nayak. Cosma must be knowing him. He is the person who always trained me technically, how to understand the switchgear, how to understand the wires. Whenever I used to visit his factory, he used to teach me on the technical part. Most of the technical part I have learned from Mr. K.K. Nayak, Kerala Switchgears, initial stages. 1978 up to 83, I used to visit Baikala factory of his every alternate day and take the technical training from him of all the switchgear products and the wires and cables. He is a master for me in training me in technicals. He was doing job for BRC. He was more specific for the technical subjects that time.
Shriram, can I ask one question to Mohan?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Mohan, you have lots of anecdotes to tell us about your experience with some of the very interesting customers. You told about Nair. Nair is a good friend of mine. I know he's technically very sound. But can you give us some anecdote about your experience with customers who were not paying to Vashi?
Who is not paying to Vashi? उसका बहुत बड़ा लिस्ट है साहब.
अच्छा एक छोटा
बहुत बड़ा लिस्ट है. Today in market we are a reference point of, because we have such exhaustive data about our customers that many people from other segments, steel, वो किधर से फोन करके पूछता है तुम इसके साथ काम करते हैं जरा हमको रेफरेंस दो. Yeah. And we are after for such references we have a huge data bank.
नहीं but
But I will tell you, sir, Kaji Saab, no customer is bad. You should be able to manage relationship and ultimately come out. We are an unorganized market where people don't plan for purchase. तो पेमेंट का कैसा प्लान करेगा? परचेस का भी प्लान नहीं करता है वो लोग, तो पेमेंट का भी प्लान नहीं करता है। तो जब उसको वापस मटेरियल चाहिए तो अब वो आगे पहले का पैसा देता है।
नहीं मदन, मैंने कोई भी कस्टमर बैड ऐसा बोला नहीं है। मैंने बोला मोहन used to create an anecdote which would be very interesting for us to hear. You said number of them are there. At least one incident interesting can be told by Mohan, followed by some story from Amit and some story from the young man Jatan.
Can also give you many stories. Can also give you many stories. Sir, there are many stories which I एक बोल दे फोन। एक कोई तेरे को याद आता है तो बोल दे। Sir, I will tell you this Anil Ambani story.
Go ahead.
Very interesting. Very interesting, I will tell you, sir. I had supplied around 5 crore rupees material to Anil Ambani for the telecom towers they required. And he was not paying me making me the payment. We were always almost 1.5 years or 1 year, I was not getting those 5 crore rupees payment. Every week I used to visit the corporate office in Vashi, but nothing fulfilled. Every time the new manager will come and meet you. Whenever you go there, the new manager will come and meet you. Earlier manager has committed us something, and then the new manager comes and he tells that now he's in some department. So for 1 year, I met at least 20 new managers in Anil Ambani's company. Then I was frustrated. Then I told them I required this money. Anyhow, then what I did, in my Turbe office, there are almost 70 ladies are working with us. We hired one bus, took all the ladies and did morcha at Anil Ambani's gate. That you release the payment, otherwise we are not able to give the salary to the 70 people and my other staff. There we had a morcha. Then the police was also called that time. We told police that if he is making the payment, we'll leave. We are peaceful. Then two ladies, senior and myself, were called inside and sat in one cabin. Their senior CEO came and talked with us that you first withdraw your ladies from the gate. We'll discuss with you. Within 1 hour, he gave me PDC checks of 5 crore rupees.
Great.
This is what exactly we wanted to hear from Mohan. Thank you, Mohan.
So, I think the farmers are inspired from Mohan's story.
Okay, now something from
If
Amit.
those 5 crores would have not come, we would have been in the bad debts today.
So now something from Amit.
Yeah, good morning, Uncle. First of all, I would like to thank the team Cosma for giving us an opportunity to showcase about Vashi. I would like to also start before saying something that Suraj, me and Jatan are too small to talk about our success stories, because we need to learn from you. And there are big बोलते ना वो फिल्म लाइन में बादशाह शहनशाह है यहाँ पे जहाँ से हमें सीखना है. So even the same journey, like how Madan sir said, I was among the क्या बोलते हैं average student in school days. So ज़्यादा मेरे को भी अपने आप से expectations नहीं था. So that's the reason I even joined my this company next day after my SSC exams. That was in the year 2002 on 14th of March. And I will not give an story about collection or payment, but I would like to give my experience with our customers which we have got. So there was a time where Madan sir just told me to go, and 10th se just nikla hua tha 15th standard mein. So I never knew what to do, whom to visit, what to talk, and neither even knew कि हमारे पास कौन से range of products है. So the learning has really happened at customers' place. And 15 years back, 18 years back, Vashi was known as a switchgear company, having Siemens switchgears. So my visit started with panel manufacturers only. So there is Arrow Engineers, and there is Marine Electric. So I would just like to share one experience. How did I get my first order from one of the panel builders, Danco Enterprises, Mr. Kishore Danani. He's no more now. but I do respect him. I do remember his birthday, which is on 23rd of September till today. So I had gone to his place and he just asked me that, Amit, I told him, uncle, what can I do for you? And that was a new dialogue which I had learned. जिस तरह हनुमान ने राम की सेवा की, वैसे हम अपने कस्टमर्स की सेवा करेंगे. और मैंने तो बोल दिया उनको. तो अंकल ने बोला ठीक है, ऐसी बात है तो तू मुझे एक MCCB लाके दे. And actually that MCCB was not in stock. I called up my dad Mohan sir at Andheri. I was at Andheri Apollo Industrial Estate, and Mohan sir was sitting at Navi Mumbai. I said कि पापा इनको एक MCCB चाहिए. ये MCCB से इनका पैनल खत्म हो जाएगा and मतलब बन जाएगा and they can do a dispatch of the panel and accordingly उनके बाद उनको एक order मिलेगा. And that time I think uncle used to buy from Raichand switchgears. And so somehow I took bus ticket and went till Mankud, and I asked Mohan sir to get me one MCCBs for that customer, and again took a bus and went back to Apollo and gave Kishore uncle that MCCBs. Uncle was really very inspired and uncle was very happy, and next day he called up Siemens people and he said now next business will only happen from Vashi Electricals. And that's how probably I got my first car as a gift at the age of 18 years, Hyundai Getz. That was MH04CJ8170. And yes, I've learned a lot from our customers, panel manufacturers, Suri engineers, Arrow engineers. We have together gone to one of the customers with Sanjeev sir and Vani sir. And there was a lot of learning from them. And yes, the concept of Vashi is very clear. Customer service is above all, and we trust every individual. We empower people, and whatever happens, the goal is first is customer, then we think about ourselves, and whatever happens, even if there's a collection issues, we trust and we support, and that's how we get the money back also. So all customers are good, and I'm really glad and obliged to be groomed by Madan sir and Mohan sir, yes, but our panel manufacturers team, Manish Engineering, Satish uncle, have really groomed me a lot in my career. And currently I'm working as a OEM head, or I'm handling now motors and gearboxes. But yes, I have a soft corner for Cosma and control panel because I started my career there.
Thank you. Shriram, can I ask him one more question?
Yes, sir.
Amit, you have something common between you and Shriram. Can you tell us about that?
Yes, it's a marathon running, and we both do a lot of running. We do meet each other in Sanjay Gandhi National Park, and running is something. When I'm depressed, I run. When I am stressed, I run. When I'm very happy, I run. And when I'm not in the mood, I run. So running has really changed my life and transformed my life. I would recommend all the Cosma members also to get into some kind of an activity which helps in moving and making you all fit, because being fit also helps in making the company fit. If you are fit, your mind is fit, you are energetic, you are passionate, you are committed, you're goal oriented, and then that's all reflects to the company. I see even Venkatesh sir running in the complex now. So there's a lot of people whom we know at from 9:30 to 6, and those people whom we know on Sunday morning at 6 o'clock. So there are a lot of transformation of people I see in running, and that is what common between me and Shriram sir.
Sir, I think Anand sir, Vishal sir, there are questions from our chat box.
Shriram,
Please.
There are many questions.
Shriram, one question, something from Jatan.
Yeah, good afternoon, everybody. So as Amit said, I feel, yes, it's just been 5 years for me to have joined. So there is not much that I can say. I only have to absorb. I would only like to add one thing, which is, I joined the company 5 years ago. It was very different from when Amit and Suraj joined. So I will just share my experience of what attracted me towards joining our family business, because I think that is something that is a common thread between family businesses, how to induct the second generation, right? So when I was reflecting about the journey that has been the last 5 years, I realized the journey has not started 5 years ago. it has started very early. Since I can remember, where we used to go to our Andheri office, our Turbe office for occasions, and it was like a part of our family, the company, and the experience was such. And then when I started my engineering, every summer between May and August, I used to be back in India. I used to be in America studying, and I used to spend 2 months out of that doing an internship, learning more about the business. So uh, something or the other aspects I used to learn, and that really made it very clear in my head that this is somewhere I want to be side by side while studying as well. When I joined the company, immediately another very important thing is that I went to Bangalore, and I was given the responsibility of running the business there. This served as a very good experience for me to learn on the ground level, away from the family, away from the comfort zone of having somebody to ask or questions to every time, making my own decisions and facing the consequences of those decisions also. For that, I'm very thankful to Madan sir, Mohan sir, Suraj, Amit for giving me that opportunity so that I could learn at the ground level myself. And then the journey has been a very good journey where every day I'm learning so much. And there are many regular meetings we used to hold where we used to talk a lot of big picture things, discuss all sorts of topics amongst ourselves and with our core committee, which made me learn a lot of things and made me get a complete understanding of the business, which where I could connect what work I'm doing and what I'm learning and how it affects the larger scale scheme of things. So this has been my experience. We've always been open, transparent, communicating a lot, and a lot of trust has been put in the second generation, especially me. Despite me being so young, and responsibility has been given and opportunities are given to perform. So that is what I would like to say as second generation, what makes me wake up every morning and feel very passionate to work every day.
Okay. Sir.
His current role, Jatan heads the panel builder business for Vashi.
Yes.
So, sir, there are, I'm referring to the team Vashi, sir, there are questions in the chat box. So I think you can go through it and you can pick up any 3 to 4 questions and answer from your team or from your end. So Suraj, will you please take the questions from there, 2-3 questions, and we will later then conclude after your answers are delivered. Vishal?
Yeah. Yes, Ramai.
Yeah, I mean, Suraj, can you just go through that questions, please, in the chat box?
Yeah,
or should I take one?
Yeah, if you can take a question, we can probably answer.
Suraj, can Murli and Vicky also speak?
Yeah, that would be nice. Yeah.
I think Shriram, allow our team, our partners also to speak on this occasion. Mr. Murli from Chennai is there, and Mr. Vicky Ahuja is there.
So Techno Products was already an existing company for over 25 years now. We partnered with them to take care of our Tamil Nadu and Kerala business. And Murli has been a part of the Vashi family now for 8 years, Murli.
7 years. You are 7th year running. Yeah.
You could give your view on the experience.
Happy New Year to one and all. Thank you, Mr. Sadish Kasizov, for reminding, and you inspire a lot for us. And I have only one thing, that I could not work under Madan sir, under his shadow. Now that, of course, though I am sitting 600 kilometers away, but his vibrations are making me to run every day. He inspires me a lot. Vashi as a company always thinks for the future, always are proactive in their approach. They foresee what is going to happen in the future. Even in the pandemic, the way things are initiated, the things are implemented, and the thing is not the implementation, they live by it. The consistency is the hallmark of all greatness, they say. So that is what Vashi's success. Every day they inspire through their systems. Even yesterday, there was an occasion, there was a solar panel to be dispatched. The process is so such, though my accounts team has sent a mail that it was initiated, the guy was in charge was not willing to dispatch till he gets the UTR number. Then I have to send a mail that, boy, it has been transferred. Please ensure it is getting dispatched today. So the systems and process are very strong, user friendly, and always they think of customers' point, how they can serve better and better, because in serving industry, scope is always there for betterment. And the way they have been serving, not only in business, in terms of taking care of the CSR initiative, it is very remarkable, and they inspire a lot. We are also learning a lot from them. Frankly speaking, I started learning business only after joining with Washi. Till such time, I was running something. By God's grace, I come to a certain level. Then I realized I think I wasted almost 20 years by not really focusing on it. As Madanji said, focus on one thing. We all have the multiple tasks at a time to execute this and that, but I realized it will not work out on a long run. So coming back and they being our driving force, and we are quite happy with the association what been entered into Washi. It's almost now 6 years completed. We are in the 7th year. I am thankful for them, and thank you for this opportunity to extend my views to the entire Cosmo family. And we'll also extend our support to the Cosmo. I think Kasi sir has been asking me to create something in Chennai, which is one lingering, it's my back of my mind that I have not done for Sadish sir. I'll take it personally and ensure in short span I'll bring our Cosmo to Chennai, sir. That is
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so lot.
Thank you.
I think Vijay Ahuja has joined back.
Madan, you have one more person from your organization.
One more?
Yeah,
Partner of yours in this group.
Yeah. Vicky will speak.
So Vicky heads our cables division now and is a very strong pillar of our organization for 20 years now. Over to you, Vicky.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Myself, Vijay Ahuja. I am being associated with Washi Electricals from last 20 years. My journey started with Washi Electricals as a RM, normal RM. And Madanji taught me all the routes of business from storekeeping to delivery boy to invoice, dispatch invoice, and a RM, then a brand manager. Today, the journey, what Washi it is only the hard work and passion which makes a team very strong. The team bonding is so strong in Washi that the single goal is that first is customer service. That's it. At any given point of time, you can't let customer let down. That has the single motto in last 20 years, which has helped in growing this business brick by brick. Today, Washi was, when we started Washi, we were known as a switchgear company. But today, as the years have been passed, we have been known as a the biggest cable distributor, biggest distributor for gearbox and motors, biggest distributor for pneumatics, bearings, resin. This diversifications, these different verticals has helped Washi to create new customer base and grow vertical and horizontal in terms of customer base and probably into the different segment of basket. Today, no other distributor, what I feel, has like a unique USP where probably doesn't have service to segments like OEMs, end user, projects, contractors. So we are serving to all the major industries in India. Last 2 years back, we started our solar division. So today we are marketing to huge solar EPC market also. 1 month back, we ventured in new venture MRO business, where we satisfy the customer needs by cutting through the industry of C and D category of the products and taking over their complete inventory. So these are the new ways of increasing the space into customer segment, what we are looking at Washi. In coming year down the line, our major focus would be MRO business.
Yeah, continue. Please continue. There was some disturbance.
Yeah, the MRO business, solar EPC business. These are going to play a major role in Washi's growth success stories. My personal experience with Washi in last 20 years was that as Madanji said, that whatever you learn, it is from customer. What customer needs, that is the prime motto. Today, when And the second most thing, what is a success mantra for Vashi has been the excellent principal relationship. If these ingredients are mixed well, the success, you can achieve any success. Amazing principal relationship and a customer relationship, and you have to become an excellent bridge between both of them. Then that's what is the key to the success. I believe into that. Whenever any distributor or any organization in trading business has got these two recipes, he has got a good customer base and excellent relationship with principal, it gives you amazing results. That what I feel in nutshell has been the success mantra for Vashi in last 45 years.
Thank you, Vicky sir. Sir, again I move back to Madanji and Mohanji. So your any special advice to the COSMA members or panel builders from COSMA? Your special message to them.
So my one message to my friends would be that treat your organization like a child and grow that organization just as you grow your child for 25 years to become a full-fledged personality, and then seek returns from him. So kindly do not treat your organization like ATM, because you have lot of freedom and you have lot of power and authority to use and misuse, which if you become conscious of the consequences, you will avoid bad decisions. Growth is tremendous. Opportunities are going to be more than this generation has got the maximum opportunities of growth. India is at a point where there is going to be a terrific boom in business. You have to be only focused in what is your expertise, improve upon it, and there will be business to follow. Don't worry about competition. Competition and low prices, people is what we ask, we get. You ask for more, you will get more.
Yes. Good. Yeah, nice.
Thank you.
Mohanji.
बोलिए
सर, आपसे कुछ सुनना चाहते हैं लास्ट COSMA पैनल बिल्डर के लिए स्पेशल संदेश आपका.
The panel business is a much difficult business. It is not an easy business to do. The reason being that in one control panel, variety of items are required. If the single item is also not delivered, their panel cannot be dispatched. A distributor or a supplier has to understand the difficulties of the control manufacturer when we accept the order. When we accept the order, we have to go through it and scan it in our mind, whether we will be able to supply all the items in time or not. If not, we have to inform them that it will take a time for these items and be prepared for that with your customers. Otherwise, there is always a pressure on us also and the manufacturer also from the end customer. Because we are dependent on our principals generally. 85% or 90% material, we give it to you in time. Only the 10% items which are D category at Vashi Electricals. D category means those items we don't stock. We get it for you only specially. There we are dependent on principals. Otherwise, 95% or 90%, our stock rotation is always there and we keep the inventory. So we can satisfy you. You should understand that any item non-standard is difficult to get in difficult situation. It is minimum 8 weeks today. So you should also inform your customers when you take the order that this will be the delivery period if they are the D items. Especially ACBs, there are some D items, some MCCBs of ratings are D items. Otherwise, contactors, relays, push buttons are not the D items. Only these two products are the D items at Vashi Electricals. That also of higher rating and higher breaking capacity. Up to 36K and 55K, you can get it in 3 weeks or 2 weeks. You can plan your orders accordingly like that. Kiran, we service every control manufacturer in every corner of India today. He has an account with Vashi Electric. And
कंट्रोल पैनल मैन्युफैक्चरर बिजनेस इज आवर दाल रोटी. बाकी सब तो बाद में देखेंगे, लेकिन आप लोग के ऑर्डर से हमारा दिन पूरा होता है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you, sir. I think we have taken more than your expected time. So, Satish bhai,
Satish sir would like to ask something.
please, Satish bhai.
any questions are there? Anybody wants to ask? Let them ask.
Satish bhai, unmute करके बोलिए please.
Satish bhai. Yes, Satish bhai.
Kiran,
Haji.
case of Marin is there, and he has a second generation relation with Vashi Electricals. So maybe Venkatesh can say something about his relationship with Vashi. Venkatesh, please.
So I'm not a eloquent speaker like Madan sir, but the relationship that Marine shares with Vashi, and I would say it's more than that. It's a Uchal family with Madan sir's family. That is, it's more of a family relationship for us than anything else. One thing is that whenever you bump into Madan sir, there's always something to learn from him. Even if it's a 30-second interaction, you learn something from him. That's the beauty of interacting with it's not only Madan sir, with everyone. I mean, if you meet Amit, he's always so charged. You meet him in the temple, you feel that your day also goes charged like that. And same with Suraj. I mean, I don't know how many people must have interacted with Suraj, but then there's lots to. I mean, he's like his father. There's lots to learn from him as well. So I mean, that's about it for me. I mean, you can only learn from this organization, and always the way they implement their systems, the way they have contributed to society, the way they have grown. I mean, it's an inspiring lesson for all of us, and it's always a benchmark. That's it for me, sir.
Thank you.
काजी साहब, विजय साहब, सूरज और किरण को मेंटरिंग और ट्यूशन मिसेस उचिल ने दिया है.
Yes.
So, Madan, it is reciprocation.
Thank you.
Satish sir, if you permit us, can we move to the concluded stage? Satish bhai.
Kaji sahab, I want to acknowledge 2-3 people who have also been very contributor in our first journey. One was Elma, Alwani, Aswani, and Auja. And second is Vijay Prasad Sematic. I don't know whether he is there, but they were the believers, and they trusted us. Autodata Govind Rajan, when we were at infancy stage, but these were the people who believed and they trusted. MK Bhuta. Then Kaji Sahab, I want to give one of your case study. One day when I came to you for a business call, you gave me a big list of switchgear items, and you said, Madan, can you supply this to me immediately? तो तभी मेरे पास सेकेंड हैंड फिएट गाड़ी था, तो मैं वो फिएट गाड़ी में बैठकर सीधा सीमेंस के ऑफिस में गया और मैं सीमेंस को एक स्टोरी बना के बोला कि मेरे को ये आइटम तुम स्पेशल एलोकेशन करके दो, एंड समहाउ इट वाज माय गुड डे एंड दे एग्रीड, एंड मैं इतना हैप्पी हो गया. मैं सीमेंस के पार्किंग लॉट में मेरा सेकेंड हैंड फिएट गाड़ी बुक पार्क किया था, मैं नीचे उतरा, मैं टैक्सी में बैठ के अपने ड्रीम वर्ल्ड में चले गया. मैं अंधेरी पहुंचा तो मुझे याद आया कि मेरी गाड़ी तो उधर पड़ी है. ये आपने किया है हमारे साथ में काजी साहब.
Thank you.
That is a dedication, sir.
Yes.
Complete dedication.
Dedication to serve the customer.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Satish bhai, so can we move to the vote of thanks section now? Satish bhai.
Sudhir is there, na Sudhir?
Yeah, Sudhir ji.
एक और चीज बोलता हूँ साहब, हमारे अंधेरी में अशोक गोयल और नरेंद्र गोयल हमारे स्टार्टिंग में भी बहुत बड़े अपना बिलीवर्स थे, and they also supported Vashi Electric when we were in very infancy stage.
Ashok bhai,
I would,
Ashok bhai, you want to say something?
yeah, I would like to say one thing. I know Mohan first, then Madan, because I know the day when Mohan used to come to our factory, he used to bring 6 to 8 coils of wires on his shoulder, and he used to deliver. And हम उसको बोलते थे मोहन, but I have placed the order for 20. बोला नहीं, आज इतना ही उठा सकता था, कल दूसरा लेके आऊंगा. Contactor Siemens का हम लोगों को लगता था, we never used to get in Bombay or even sometime the L&T material. It was just like a rationing of contactors or relays or push button. But Mohan, Madan बहुत late आया. I'm not giving the reference of Madan, but Mohan at that time used to bring those contactors from all over India. All over India, the prices in the Bombay were ruling was 40 to 50% plus over the list price. And Mohan कहाँ से लाता था पता नहीं, लेकिन LP plus 20 में mostly 90% of the material he used to supply to us. So that is why we always used to be thankful to Mohan कि हम grow कर रहे हैं, उसमें हमारा panel बना. तो उसके लिए मोहन was also one of the part, and I should thank him. And जब मोहन से मदन से मुलाकात हुई, तो मदन से मुलाकात करने के बाद पता चला कि it is basically a blood of Jadeja family, कि दोनों में से कोई कम नहीं, दोनों ने उतना ही dedicatedly काम किया, dedicatedly services दिया. और आज भी हम और मोहन और मदन कई बार मिलते हैं. मदन कई बार थोड़े दिन पहले ऑफिस में 10 बजे आया मेरे पास, तो मैंने बोला मदन आज इधर कैसे? बोला बहुत दिन हो गया था, चाय पीने नहीं आया था, तो मैं तो चाय पीने आप कैसे? मॉर्निंग 10 o'clock ऐसे ही बोल रहा था, तो मैं ब्रेकफास्ट घर से लेकर के आता हूँ तुम्हारे लिए. So this is what is our relation, and that basically it is relation. जो बहुत सारों ने क्वेश्चन किया और जो मदन ने भी बोला कि yes, your dedicated efforts and your honesty is the only thing that works in the business. Today we are also managing with so many customers and all one-time customers, but we feel that those are all repeat customers. So this is basically the policy of Vashi, and I appreciate and I wish them to be more successful with a team of so many people, a team of Jadeja family.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, thank you very much, sir. Mr. Sudhir Hanmante ji. Sudhir ji.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
and
please.
thank you, Madan ji and Mohan ji, for sharing your success story really from bottom of your heart. I myself, and along with the participant, to understand your true success.
I request members to get mute, please. Thank you.
To understand such a success story of your business and in a single generation. Really, it's a commendable achievement and inspiring for such a great success which Madanji, Mohanji and Vashi family has achieved. I really like to reiterate some of his belief. First is a training at a customer, relationship and trust, pursuance, resilient, business, treat business as your child, honesty and a common sense, involvement. So I think these are such a strong beliefs, and we are really thankful for sharing such a beautiful principle with all Cosmites. With this, I would like to give 3 cheers to Vashi family, including Mr. Amit ji, Mr. Suraj, and Mr. Jatan, who have shared their experiences with us. Also, I would like to thank you, our great Secretary Sri Ram, for having such a good interaction and asking a specific question, which really enlighten all the Cosmite to give or to understand a business how Vashi has grown in this year. I would like to also thank you, our Satish Bhai, Chairman of Cosma, and Sanjeev ji, for arranging such a wonderful lecture and a true success story for all of us. My special thanks to Vishal Bhai and our director Anand Jayawant for really making this particular Cosma vibrant by arranging such a session and carrying out the various activities what we are carrying. Last but not least, I would like to thank you, Vashi family, Mr. Mohanji, Mr. Madanji, and all Vashi family for really making this 1 hour a very grand session. And as one of our Cosma members shared, even if we talk to 30 seconds, it gives a lot of information. So if you have spared 1 hour with us, it really inspires all of us. Thank you, Mohanji, and thank you, Madanji. Thank you very much.
I request everyone for give a smile so we can take a group picture.
Yeah.
But there are many whose camera is off.
Yeah.
Video
Satish
will be on.
Satish sir's kind request, please switch on your camera. Rasish Shukla, Pradeep ji, Dakshesh ji. Okay, thank you.
Smile on your face.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Cheers for everybody.
Thank you, Madanji.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for giving us this opportunity.
Great.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thanks a lot.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, Mohan. Thank you. Surat, thank you. Amit.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Special thanks.
Vishal ji.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you
yes,
so
Ram
much.
bhai.
Yeah, we can
Have a great
conclude the Zoom.
Sunday.
Yeah, yeah.
Anand,
हाँ बोलो बोलो
mention
सुन
about your
रहा हूँ
publishing of the success story book. Why
हाँ
don't you mention that?
ये बोलने का रह गया. All the success stories will be published in a special book, which will be published in this Diwali. ये सब success story will be a permanent memory for all Cosma members throughout
Very good.
their life. So this is
Thank you.
the idea behind it actually.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Ram bhai was saying something.
No, sir. It's not even. Sir, this is success story is not only for the Cosma people, but it will be for the all Indians who would like to grow up like Madanji and Mohanji. So with this, we conclude it, and thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye and have a nice day.
Bye bye.
See you in the next Cosma cluster.
Have a great Sunday.
Have a great.
Have a great Sunday.
Bye bye. Thank you.